Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and today I will share with you another new project. With the help of YOLO object detection, we created here a custom object detection model, our own model for detecting motorcycle. So we have basically the parking lot area where we have lots of motorcycle park, and with the help of YOLO object detection we will detect the motorcycle class, and then with the help of logic we can say that how many motorcycle are parked now in particular area, and how we can park means how we can more park. So this is what the whole concept. So the project is available on my buy me coffee page. You can simply buy it from there. So this is how it's look like. I will mention the link. Simply buy the project. So now first I will show you. I have already downloaded the project folder. This is what the project folder, parking management zip. So just click on extract and extract. It will extract our folder. Simple. So this is what our folder, again same folder. Now inside that, first I will show you what is the scenario. So let me play the video file. So as you can see friends, as I mentioned, this is what the CCTV video file where we have lots of motorcycle park. This is basically a motorcycle parking area. So my goal is what? I will pick this particular zone, okay. So this is what my particular zone, and in this zone as you can see we have this motorcycle park, and we have this particular area as we can say free space. Simple. So if I create as a zone with the help of polygon CO2.polylines method, we can simply draw our area, a zone, and in this particular zone with the help of YOLO we can detect the motorcycle. But here I have created my own custom model for detecting this motorcycle, because by default sometimes some motorcycle get detected or not detected. So I have choose to create my own model to detect all these motorcycles. So I have created my own model, and now I can detect all these motorcycles. So as I mentioned, this is what my zone, okay, and then this is the motorcycle. So the concept is what? When we use object detection we get the bounding box. So with the help of bounding box we can know the width and the height of detected object bounding box, and then we can simply use all those width and height, and we can say that how many rectangle we can adjust. So rectangle is now basically the motorcycle, because we create the model. So created model detect the object means the motorcycle, and then we have bounding box. So we have all the motorcycle bounding box which already placed inside the area, and with the help of detected object width and height we can simply say, so this is the free space area, and in this area how many motorcycle now we can add, how many motorcycle we can park. Simple. So this is the concept. So how it will look like, I will show you. This is the model best.pt and the main code, okay. So once I run the code, there will be a polygon, means there will be an area, as you can see, as I mentioned. So this is what my area. I have detected only this particular area vehicle. So let me first stop the code, because I want to show you how it works, okay. So now it will stop the code, and we will get the first frame. So as you can see, as I mentioned, so this is what my area which I have draw using CO2.polylines method, and we are detecting here 8 motorcycle which already park. There is a rectangle, bounding box, and this is what my free space area. We are not going to detect all these motorcycles, that's why I have drawn the red color on all those other motorcycle. So we have now park motorcycle 8, and 7 more we can park here, 7 more we can park here, and total capacity of this zone we can say the 14 max bike we can park over here. So 47% use area and 53% basically available. So as I mentioned, the concept is what we use the bounding box width and height, and with the help of that we can say that how many motorcycle we can park in this particular free space area, which is the 8. Simple. So this is basically all the concept. So as I mentioned, the project folder is available on my Buy Me Coffee page. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.